are just going to wipe it off with a cleaner cloth. Obviously, my fingers can do that now. I've got thick fingers. What we are going to do is use it up this gently. That is good. That is phenomenal. Now we have got this once again. See, the injection is kind of an important thing in every engine. Okay, I guess the injection coil is now cleaned up. There is no more gunk, no more carbon, I guess. Yeah, it's all cleaned. Cannot capture it in the camera, but it is clean, don't worry. Now let's get back onto the fitting it. First of all, we are going to fit back the map sensor. We'll screw it back in. We're going to screw this one back. We take our T20 start point. We're going to keep screwing it. It should be a snug fit. There should be no gap. And it should be torqued right. Don't over tighten it. Tighten it alternatively, like once you have tightened this, tighten this one again. Once you have tightened this, try to tighten this one once again. And all good. Good to go with the map sensor fitted up.